and I'm gonna be starting my at-home garden. As you can see, I got a whole bunch of seeds. I got this greenhouse starter kit. Upon opening it up, this is what you get. You get 2 tools of sticks to mark what your plants are, as well as a pre-sharpened pencil. So cute. I have been terrible with filming my check-ins. The day is February 17th, 2026. And we're just going to be doing a check-in on these seeds. No, excuse me. We don't want the cat hair in them. There's no green sprouting, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to water them and then put them back on the windowsill. This is another check-in. So this was an avocado seed that I started probably back in like November, and oop, she sprouted February 19th. And I just wanted to film another quick check-in now that we're done work. So absolutely no sight of green for these circular pots, but looking at these, and wham. I'm not sure if y'all can see, my hands are shaking. There is actually more that are starting to sprout for the green onions, so it's actually very interesting. Okay, so the day is Thursday, February 20th. I believe it's like 2 days after we filmed that first check-in. So here's what the avocado plant's looking like. And then we got a little sapling. You guys see her? Ooh. So the dome is officially off. I'm curious to know which seed that is. Put your guesses below. A little list of the amount of what everything was. And so this is actually a green scallion. You have to see it. Hey y'all, so this is a little check-in. The date is March the 3rd. So here is our avocado seed. Then we got parsley starting to show signs of life. We got chili peppers, regular peppers, and then our beloved green onions. I had to just water it, so it is a little hard to see, but I'll keep doing check-ins. Okay, so little update. I got this grow light from the dollar store, and now we've got the plants under light 24/7. I'm just praying that these little assholes will leave them alone, because I did have them up on the windowsill over there, but we want to get as much light as possible, so stay tuned to see how this experiment goes. Hey guys, so today it's March 15th and it is a Sunday. I forgot to do the 1 month check-in, so we're doing that today. Here's how our green onions are looking. We've got the parsley in the back. It kind of looks all dead. I've been having some issues with keeping the soil moist, so hopefully that'll improve. And this was our sweet peppers and hot peppers. We got our chili peppers, and then our regular peppers. Stay tuned for another update coming soon.